Thank you for signing up for my 3-part healthy eating video course. In part 1 today, we're going to answer the 2 most common questions I receive from nutrition clients. 1, what to eat, and 2, how much to eat. Hi, my name is Patrick Ash and I've been a nutrition and exercise coach for over 20 years and I have seen and done it all. From Atkins to paleo to keto to vegetarian to vegan, you name it. I've seen it, done it, and experienced it. So when we think about those 2 most common questions, let's tackle the first one, what to eat. What I want you to do is put a picture in your head of your dinner plate. We'll start here, how to make your meal. So we'll think of how to set up your plate so you get a good vitamin and mineral dense meal each time that you fill up your plate. What you want to start with is what you're going to fill most of your plate with, and that is your vegetables. Why vegetables? Because vegetables tend to be the most nutrient dense, especially the ones that have the most or the darkest color. So think those dark rich colors like greens. Those are the most vitamin and mineral rich. So how much vegetables? Take your 2 fists, and about the size of your 2 fists is what you want to fill your plate up with vegetables. So if you have 2 vegetables that you enjoy, start there. It's a great place to start your first meal prep. Secondly, the next thing you want to consider is your protein source. So we want to think about beef, chicken, fish, eggs. If you're vegetarian, beans, lentils, chickpeas, those type of sources. And how much? About a palm size portion can fit for your protein size. So that's roughly about 4 to 6 ounces depending on the size of your hand. Lastly, we want to address our healthy fat. 1 thumb-sized portion of healthy fat will do. So nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, nut oils like macadamia nut oil are great sources of healthy fats. So our vegetables provide that vitamin and nutrient dense source and make up most of our plate. Our protein provides that source to help develop our muscles and the cells in our body. And the healthy fat is really important for brain and heart health. So those are the components of your meal that you want to make. So how would this look putting it all together? So one of my favorite things to make is a salad because you can add all those components in quite easily. So what I did here was I added in my greens. So I had 2 fistfuls of greens. I have some vegetables and a little bit of blueberries. So tomatoes, green peppers, and some blueberries, and I sprinkled in some egg for a protein source. So that's a simple, healthy meal, and then I finished that off with olive oil, balsamic vinegar salad dressing. Super simple, really healthy, really nutrient dense, and tasty. So that's how you create a real simple meal. Now lastly, how do you eat your food? The most important thing is to assist your digestion, you want to eat slowly. Let your mouth do the work before you swallow your food. Take the time to enjoy each bite. You just spent time making that food, take time to enjoy it. So that means slowing right down. When you slow right down, it assists your digestion and it will also assist your body in absorbing all those great nutrients from the food. To help you eat slowly, take away all the distractions. So if you tend to eat while watching TV or on your phone or reading something, take those distractions out. They'll allow you to pay attention to your food and allow you to eat more slowly. Lastly, eat till you're 80% full. So not till you're stuffed, so just till you're satisfied. I always think when I'm done eating, I want to feel like I can do some dancing after. It's a good check-in to see that you've eaten enough, but not too much. And that will help you to control the amount of food that you take in. So there's part 1 of my healthy eating tips. Tomorrow in your inbox, I'm going to be sending you a video about how to become a preparation and planning ninja to get your meals set up for the week and plan and prepare great tasting meals. So we will talk to you soon.